Black holes is one of the most searched terms about our universe. People are fascinated by the idea of a place in space with gravity so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. But not everything we think we know about black holes is true. Let's separate the myths from the science. Myth 1. All black holes are black. The Event Horizon Telescope proved otherwise, capturing the first image of light near a black hole's edge. Around the event horizon, the point of no return, lies an accretion disk, a flat, swirling structure of dust, gas, and debris heated to extreme temperatures. Friction drives this material inward, while some escapes in powerful jets blasting from the poles. Black holes themselves don't emit light, but the regions around them can glow brilliantly. Myth 2. All black holes are the same size. In reality, they come in several categories, defined by their mass. Stellar mass black holes form when massive stars collapse. Intermediate black holes may reside in the cores of active galaxies, and supermassive black holes, millions to billions of times more massive than our Sun, dominate the centers of nearly every galaxy. As NASA astrophysicist Dan Evans explains, there's a direct link between the birth of these giants and the galaxies they inhabit, suggesting both grew together over billions of years. Myth 3. Get near a black hole, and its gravity will instantly pull you in. Not necessarily. If you replaced our Sun with a black hole of equal mass, Earth and the other planets would orbit exactly as they do now. Distance matters. You could even approach within tens of miles of a solar mass black hole before crossing the event horizon. Their gravity is extreme only when you get very close. Myth 4. Nothing escapes from a black hole. It turns out black holes can leak energy. Stephen Hawking proposed that they slowly emit radiation, now called Hawking radiation, due to quantum effects. Over unimaginable spans of time, this slow leak would cause a black hole to shrink and eventually evaporate. The Event Horizon Telescope image also confirmed a prediction made by Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity more than a century ago. Black holes form nearly perfect circles. As scientists gather more data and peer deeper into the universe, they'll continue to unravel the mysteries of these cosmic giants, replacing myths with evidence and turning questions into discoveries.